Hi, so I want to tell you a little bit about my skin and about some products I've been using that I absolutely love. My skin is extremely sensitive. I was diagnosed with cystic acne at the age of 13, and I'm now 23 years old, so it's taken me about 10 years to really understand how to listen to my skin and what it's asking me for. My main skin concerns now are just mostly dryness. I don't really get that much acne anymore, but I still do when I'm experiencing hormonal changes in environment, stress, and stuff like that. So today I'm going to talk to you about this lovely moisturizer right here. So let's just pump a little out. There we go. It just smells so fresh, kind of like just clean vibes, not too crazy for sure. And it is a very rich gel kind of moisturizer, but it doesn't sit greasily on the surface of the skin. I would say it absorbs pretty quickly, which I personally love that about this product. And isn't the packaging just gorgeous? I mean, wow. I usually use this product every single morning and night. I do live on the East Coast of the United States, so it gets really cold, especially during now winter time. However, right now I'm on vacation, so I'm not as dry from the winter, but I am dry from sunburn, as you can tell. So I'm just gonna apply this onto my face right now and just show you guys a little demo. This is the SpoiledChild O36 Plus Anti-Aging Triple-Peptide Moisturizer. This moisturizer contains peptides, hyaluronic acid, and fatty acids, plus Meadowfoam, which is supposed to help repair your skin at its deepest layer, while triple peptides will iron out wrinkles on the surface. I really love that it includes hyaluronic acid, which creates long-lasting hydration. I love to use hyaluronic acid in a lot of my skincare. I normally will just use one pump at night because I think it's rich enough to go a long way. It really does the job with just one pump. This is my skin after application. I mean, wow. I love this moisturizer so much, you guys. Normally when I use moisturizer, it fully breaks me out. I don't know what it is about my skin type, but no moisturizer agrees with me. This one, however, I absolutely adore. It's already starting to absorb, but still leaving that glow that I love. So I cannot recommend this enough.